everyone, welcome to the new video. It's been a long time, and this is another one in a row about those tools that you might be using to get out of the trouble with your iOS devices. Now, recently I have tried the iOS 16 beta 1, developer beta 1, and I have to say I was very happy with it. It was working fine, no battery issues, no nothing, and few glitches, but it's very normal for this kind of early beta stage. However, the problems come when you want to go back to iOS 15, for example. If you don't want to keep doing the iOS 16, if you don't want to continue using it. So this is where the problems might come. Like, you can get stuck on the Apple logo, you can get stuck on the iTunes, connect to iTunes screen on your iPhone, etc., etc. So in these situations, we have something which is an amazing software, and honestly, and I'm not just saying this because I am a true fan of this software, because it replaces the iTunes and the Finder in Mac like all together, and it makes your life much easier to deal with your phone and to repair it whenever necessary. So the problems that can come, as I mentioned earlier, there are like hundreds of errors which we don't like seeing. Tenorshare ReiBoot for Mac in this case, but also there is a Windows version as well, helps you get over any problem that you might have. But even what is more important, that it helps you deal with your phone in a much easier way than what you because not everyone is skilled in repairing iOS mistakes and errors, or not everyone is really into understanding those things with how you do the recovery mode, how do you do the DFU mode, etc., etc. So this is one-stop software for all these little things. And it is, and I truly believe it is, at least for me, it's the #1 iPhone recovery mode tool. It says free here, but you have like a free download and you can try it and you can use some of the basic features for free. But of course, later on, if you want the full version, I suggest you pay for it because it's worth it. Now, going back, I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max connected here, and I'll show you how the software looks like. Now, this is the interface of the software. Very straightforward, very easy. Anybody can get it, and you don't need any kind of previous knowledge. You just follow the on-screen instructions, and it's gonna work perfectly. Now, as you can see here, I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max connected. And for now, luckily, I don't have any issues with the phone, but if you need to recover your phone, or you need to go back to your iOS 15.5 from iOS 16, if you don't want to use it, as I mentioned earlier, this is the right tool. This is the right tool for you. Now, as I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different elements of the screen, and I'm going to show each one of them very briefly. So the first one is, of course, for the majority of the users, where you just start and you can see it takes you to the options where you can choose between standard repair or deep repair. Now, standard repair is something that you probably want, and this is what's happening to the majority of users if you have some issues. And if you get stuck on Apple logo or in recovery mode or black screen, white screen, this is the tool that helps you actually to get out of it without losing your data. So it's basically one, let's say, so-called advanced way that you can repair your phone and actually do the restore of your phone without losing any data. However, if you don't solve the problem with standard repair, there is a deep repair option where you can actually go deeper into your phone and try to resolve the issues that standard repair could not resolve. However, please pay attention that this will cause definitely data loss. So this is like a restore thing from scratch, while standard repair is more of an update kind of thing in iTunes that you used to do before. Please note that none of these functions can actually help you with your hardware. If there is a problem with the hardware, then you have to go and to take it to the Apple service shop and try to deal with it there. So this is the one thing, and this is the start option here. Now, the second thing, and this is what I'm using the most, entering and exiting recovery mode. Because, you know, sometimes it's not easy for you to get into the recovery mode properly when you want to do the upgrade, downgrade, reset, or you want to go from iOS 16 to iOS 15, or you want to prepare for a jailbreak, or you want to deal with some of these things. This is the best thing you can find. So let's just see here. When I click enter recovery mode, watch my phone. So it's gonna go into recovery mode immediately. It's very easy. You don't have to touch anything. You just need to connect your iPhone with your cable to your laptop or PC or Mac or whatever. So it's gonna come up soon with that logo, you know. Yes, this is how you know it's the recovery mode. Now, and your Finder or iTunes will recognize your phone in this mode, but we will skip this part now. And you get this pop-up that entering recovery mode was successful. That's it. Now, once you finish it, you see this becomes grayed out, and then we have exit recovery mode, which is another one-click thing where your phone is quickly taken out of the recovery mode if you're done with something, or you started restoring your phone, you starting updating your phone, and then you got stuck. You know, that something is, you know, maybe there is a glitch in an update firmware, maybe there is a problem with the website where you download it from. So it's one-click success, right? So you can really make a use of it. And here you see that what I'm saying so far, it gives you a pop-up again. If your device still performs badly, then you can, you know, go back and do that standard or deep repair. Now, I'm not done yet, because there are two additional features, like resetting your device, where you can actually do the factory reset. You can completely delete it, you know, which you can do from your phone as well. But I feel this one-click thing is a very good thing that you can use. Or you can, you know, use general reset, right? So you need to unlock your device. It says here in the notes. So you want to resolve those network issues. Again, this option exists in the phone, but there is some kind of, I don't know, I like this approach with one touch. And the final option, which I again highly recommend for those who are not very familiar with the phones. So there are things which help you get into recovery mode, DFU mode if you're into jailbreaking and you want to, you know, hopefully the jailbreak will come out soon, but anyway, I'm losing my hope. Then how you can exit the DFU, you know, or if you cannot connect with your Mac or your PC. Overall, this software is very easy to use, very useful for everyone who might even consider having issues with iOS or repairing the iOS in the future. So my advice, guys, in the description of this video, you have the link where you can download it from and you can enjoy it, you know, and try it first, see if it works for you. You can buy it later on. I highly recommend this software. Now, thank you very much for watching my video, and hopefully there will be new in the future, because I have some ideas, very interesting ideas in mind.